Hello everybody, welcome to another episode of my vlog. In this episode of my vlog, I'm going to do a sound test of my Samsung Note 10. So if you're interested in that, stick around. Alright guys, if you're new here, my name is Saadon and I vlog about my life and my YouTube journey. Consider subscribing if you want to know what it's like to grow a YouTube channel. Alright guys, recently I've bought my Samsung Note 10 as a vlogging phone. So what I'm going to do today is to test the sounds if I'm using the headset and if I'm not using it. So this is what it sounds like if I'm using the headset on my Samsung Note 10. Next, I'm going to take off the headset and we'll see what it sounds like. So this is what it sounds like if I'm not using the headset. Next, I'm going to use the Open Camera app and we'll see what it sounds like using the headset and without using the headset. So this is what it sounds like if I'm using the Open Camera app to record. And this is what it sounds like if I'm not using the headset to record with the Open Camera app. This is what it sounds like if I'm recording using just the normal video of the Samsung Note 10 using the headset. And this is what it sounds like if I'm recording using the normal video and I'm not using a headset. Unfortunately, I'm not able to use my Comica mic to make a comparison because this Comica mic is using a TRRS connection and the new Samsung Note 10 is using C-type connection. I'm also not able to use my Boya mic because similarly the Boya mic is using the TRRS connection, and so I'm not able to compare the sound from an external mic. Alright guys, now we are going to do the sound testing outdoor, but I do tend to speak softer outside, so the volume might go down as well. Hello everybody, this is a sound test of Samsung Note 10 using the onboard mic and I'm not using any app. This is a sound test of Samsung Note 10 using the onboard mic and I'm not using any app. Hello everybody, this is a sound test of Samsung Note 10 using the onboard mic and using the Open Camera app. This is a sound test of Samsung Note 10 using the onboard mic and using the Open Camera app. So I'm currently using the Samsung Live Focus and I'm using this headset to record my voice. And this is what it sounds like if I'm recording using the Open Camera app with the headset. So that's all for this episode of my vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it and don't forget to like, to comment and to subscribe. And until the next episode, bye bye for now.